visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. I wanted to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito. Baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, no? And this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo ito napanood, the message is meant to find you. So, nakikita natin dito, it is safe for you to love, pay attention, and the honeymoon. So, feeling ko nagpipigil-pigil tayo dito ng bahagya, no? Siyempre, kahit sumugal tayo dito sa relasyon na ito, nakikita natin na somewhat, no? May nakikita tayong loopholes, probably si person hindi siya masyadong, kung meron kang checklist, no? Kung meron kang ideal person, yung iba na-check ka ni person, yung iba hindi. So you might be juggling the connection. Pero sinasabi dito, ibigay mo na ng buo. Ibigay mo na yung 100% mo. You might be ending up with the person, with your current person right now. Yes, there may be some challenges, pero ganun talaga, no? Walang perfect na relationship. Kahit sa pamilya, no? Nagkakaroon ng iringan, misunderstanding, how much lumaki ka na kasama yung mga taong yun na. How much more itong taong hindi mo kasamang lumaki, no? Na meet mo for some reason, no? Siyempre magkakaroon talaga. That's the reason why you are a unique person. You're an individual, no? Wag din naman natin sabihin na perfect tayo. Wala tayong pagkakamali. Ganon din naman siguro siya. May nakikita din na off sa atin, no? But that make us unique, that make us you as a person. Kaya we need to be open with probably adjustments, no? Compromise. And also, be open with people are really different, no? Nakukuha naman yan sa mga adjustments eh. Ang nakikita kasi natin dito, masyado nating nire-restrict, no? Yung sarili natin to actually feel or experience, no? The romance that we truly deserve. Temperance, the King of Swords, the Five of Pentacles. I think nandito tayo sa isang relationship na parang sabihin na natin yes, na meron tayong away bate. Ang nagiging solution kasi natin dito because of the walls is konting away, alis. Konting away, break agad. No? Konting away, kailangan mag-end up ng hiwalayan. That would be someone else's solution, no? Palagi. It could be you, it could be your person, no? You can search the energies. What I'm reading is the dynamic. Parang sinasabi dito, wag ganon, no? Try to either compromise, make amends, have a conversation first, sit on it, sleep on it, rethink whether this is twice, 10 times, pero wag agad mag-jump into conclusion. Because you might end up with really the person that's meant for you. The Five of Pentacles clarified with the uh Eight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. Ang masakit pa dito, ang hiwalayan laging nangyayari sa text, sa calls. Ang away using messenger. Ang away using calls. Bihirang-bihira yung away dito ng harapan. May pagkakataon na itong relationship na to maayos. No? Meron mang mga disagreement, pero maghihiwalay ng maayos pagdating sa bahay, doon rarat-rat na, ayoko na. Hiwalay na tayo. Sandali, tinatanong kita kanina kung may problema, bakit ayaw mong sumagot? Kaya nga, siguro yung isa, nagtataka, kaya nga kita tinatanong para right there and then, makapag-usapan natin. So, I have this assumption, kaya kita tinatanong kanina na, kung may problema, kung sinabi mong wala, edi wala, no? Ako yung napapakamot ng ulo eh. Pag tinanong kung may problema, sabihin yung problema, hindi yung ang frustrations ko nandoon sa taong nagtatanong. I mean, na-feel ko yung frustrations ng taong nagtatanong kasi napapakamot talaga ako sa ulo. Kaya nga kita tinanong. So, what's the sense of communication kung sasabihin mong hindi, yung hindi, oo, yung oo, hindi. Actually, magulo ang communication ng isang tao dito. With the Ace of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Four of Swords. Sabihin natin kahit nakakasawa yung pag-uugaling ganyan. Imagine may taong nakakatiis sa ganon. And with that effort itself, with that understanding itself, I think that kung sino man itong pabago-bago ng isip, nagkakaroon ng mood swings, yung hindi direct yung pakikipag-away, or hindi direct yung sinasabi, swerte ka na dito sa taong to, no? Swerte ka na dahil bibihira yung taong mapagpasensya, no? Bibihira yung taong kayang sakyan, no? Yung trip mo. Bibihira kaya sakyan yung ugali mo. I'm not saying that you're hard. Well, wala akong positive scripting doon. You may be hard sometimes. You may be a pain in the ass sometimes. Pero, imagine, no? Meron talagang mga taong destined para sa'yo. Meron talagang mga taong pinanganak na ang lalim ng pasensya, ang haba ng pasensya, that's actually made for you. So, bukod sa pasensya, nakakakita naman ako na magiging maayos yung relationship. And like what I mentioned, eto na yon, no? Eto na yung taong para sa'yo. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate dito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayong mga personal questions, no? There is a link sa description box na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. So take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yan. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign. I am seeing a Gemini, Libra. I'm seeing Aquarius, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.